Check it out, guys. Holy Moses. Just got this in today to do a few things, not a restoration. Just got some, mostly some, touch-ups, cosmetic stuff, and not sure about how much we're going to paint yet, but pretty amazing car. It's a 63 Chrysler Imperial. I mean, look at this thing. It's all original. It's had a repaint, but it's all there. All the trim is there. I got to fix up there, see? A few scratches, a little rust on the bottom of the doors. Look at this car. Look at this car. Look at that, eh? How often do you see that? Parker Motors, Penticton, BC. Pretty amazing. Look at the badges here. I mean, it's incredible. Everything is there. It's complete. What an amazing car. I mean, I don't think I've ever seen one of these. She's long. Look at the headlights. I mean, look at that. Is that cool or what? Pretty awesome stuff. Pretty awesome stuff. The guy who owns it, his name's Eric, and it's a pleasure to have him bring the car down and trust me to work on this thing. This thing is amazing. He's done a few little things under the hood here. I can't remember what size engine this is. I'm not familiar with this year and this model. Yeah, I'm pretty not knowledgeable on this platform here, so don't get angry with me. I can't remember what he said it was. Is it a 413? Does that sound right to you guys? I don't know. What does it say here? Wow, look at this stuff. Wow. I'm not sure what size engine that is. Let's see here. Well, it doesn't say there. Yeah, I'm not sure what it is, but it doesn't matter. The thing is awesome. It's an unbelievable car. I mean, look how wide these fenders are. This is crazy, man. Yeah. Pretty nice, man. Pretty nice. Like, look at these handles. Wow, look at that, eh? Woo! Pretty sweet, man. Look at this interior. I mean, holy cow. Oh, look at this thing, guys. I mean, wow, this is a work of art, man. Look at the radio. Look at the light. The buttons. I mean, this is cool. I'd take this over a muscle car or a hot rod any day of the week. Any day of the week. Now, the headliner's beautiful. I think he said he had the seats redone because his dad or his grandpa had it redone because mice got into it. I think it was back in the 80s or something like that. Like, look at this thing. Look at this thing. But it's still the original kind of material, eh? That's pretty spectacular. Pretty spectacular. Yeah. What an amazing car. Look at this steering wheel. It's not even round, eh, guys? Check that out. check that out. Man, I tell you, that is so awesome. So awesome. Obviously, this is the mirror here. Yeah. Just like Christine. Remember the mirror moving in Christine? Yeah. That is, wow. The clock works too. Guess he had the clock, somebody fixed the clock up for him, so that all works. I mean, look at these door handles. I mean, it's got power windows. Look, it's got these little compartments here in the doors. I mean, stuff that made sense, man, back then. Today, there's way too many gadgets and garbage electronics. This is amazing. Wow. Look at this thing. I mean, the detail. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah, everything's chrome inside. Like, look at the trim. It's all chrome. Yeah, this was definitely luxury at its finest. That's for sure. Let's see if this one has anything. Oh, it didn't have anything back then, eh? Okay. Yeah, so we got all the controls here for the heater. Got the radio. Here's the key for ignition. What's this here? Oh, antenna. That's the power antenna. And we got wiper, lights, rear air. Rear air? I wonder if that must be the defog or something? I don't know. Push button automatic. Here's the park brake. And signal. Look at the signal, eh? I don't have the key on me here, but or do I? Yeah, I do. Let's see how those look. Do a little video here on this thing. Let's see here. Let's see how it runs. Wow. Wow. Let's turn the signal. Look at that. That works. Where was the lights here again? Right here. Be interesting to see what the dash looks like at night. But I can see it's all lit up, so that's cool. See, the clock is working. Oh, we got something flickering over here. I'm not sure what that's about. Not sure. Well, that one side is on over there. Maybe this is supposed to be on, but I'm not sure what that is exactly. Interesting. But yeah, look at this, eh? It's just amazing. Wow, good throttle response too. Huh. What a car, guys. I mean, it's like sitting in your living room. Like on the big comfy couch, eh? Oh! So yeah, so it's something different to work on for me. It's pretty exciting. So there it is, just a little video on that. I just figured I'd show you guys that. Pretty kind of cool stuff that you don't see every day. I wonder if it's got a power trunk. It probably does. I'm assuming it's in the glove box. Yeah, pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool stuff. So what do we got here? Handles back here? Oh, it's locked. Yeah, look at that. There's handles there. See? Those are the holy shit handles right there. Cool. Alright guys, just thought I'd do a little video of that because you don't see this every day, and I just thought it was something worth posting. Obviously. So, alright guys. Watch the video, share, like, and subscribe, eh? Okay, talk to you later. Hey guys, if there's anything you like about the videos you're watching, please share, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.